Hey, folks. Hope everybody's doing well, and in particular, I hope everybody's staying safe and healthy during this crisis. You know, there's a lot of anxiety and stress out there. I think we can all agree to that, and you feel it in everybody you talk to, and all your family and friends. And my kids are in California. Bernadette's in Hollywood, and Clark is in San Diego. So you can imagine what our phone conversations were like last night. And my wife, was worrying about her babies uh, being secluded and alone in California. So, it raises the question, what can we do? And in particular for me, what can I do? And as most of you know, I'm an estate planning attorney here in Rockville, Maryland. And basically, we help people get their affairs in order. Some of you have already done so as my clients. Some of you have been clients in the past for other legal purposes, and some are just friends and family that I have on this list. So I was trying to think, what could I do to help ease some of the anxiety and the stress that people are feeling today? And one of the things I generate when I do an estate plan is something called an Advanced Medical Directive, sometimes called a medical power of attorney. And what this does is it gives a person that you name, your agent, the right to make medical decisions on your behalf if you are unable to do so yourself. And we'll link you in this associated email with some of the blog posts that I have written on the subject of advanced medical directives. But I hope none of us ever need that, ever, and particularly in this, as a result of this crisis. But owing to the idea that it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it, I want to make those available to as many people as I can. So I'm starting with you, friends and family and past clients of the Tyra Law Firm, and I'm offering a free, absolutely free, advanced medical directive, medical power of attorney to anybody who wants one. Okay, all you have to do is click on the link here and let us know that that's something you want to do. And here's how the process would work. I think I can only do 10 of these at a time. So I'll start with the first 10 people who respond and build the list, and we'll just work through them one at a time. Basically, what will happen is once you notify me that you'd like to take advantage of this free offer, and it's absolutely free, no strings attached. We're not going to try and upsell you on something else. If you want to have an advanced medical directive developed for you, all you have to do is provide me your name and email information. I have it, obviously, but we're just going to confirm that way. And then we will send you a very brief retainer agreement that gives me the legal authority to do that for you. And in return, then you will also fill out a questionnaire, very brief, 2-page questionnaire. Gives me the information necessary to generate the advanced medical directive on your behalf. Once we get that done, I send it to you. We review it together. And if we're comfortable with what it says, then I give you directions on how to get it properly executed and notarized and what to do with it once it takes legal effect upon the notarization and signatures to that document. So it's just something that I can do for folks like yourself who have shown confidence in me, and something I can do to be of service to those who are feeling a little anxious at this time. It's not going to make things go away. It's not going to reduce our need to maintain physical distancing from each other. We'll do all of this online, so there's no interaction, there's no physical contact with me or my office. But it's just something that I can do to hopefully help make people's lives a little less stressful. So if you're interested, click on the link here below, and let's get started doing that, okay? Be safe, be well. I hope everyone gets through this just fine.